Lava 20, manufactured in Europe, in the UK. We are #1 in England and also Ireland. We're in 7 other European countries. Oh, the manufacturer has been around for over 50 years.
50 years, okay.
Yes, correct. But the product Lava 20, its inception was about 25 years ago. And so we've now brought it into the US market about a year and a half ago. And so we're trying to make, form relationships and expand the brand within the US.
Okay, and the product can be used in any substrate, roofing substrate?
Yes,
This
correct.
is for commercial use, right?
Commercial use, yes. Primarily commercial use, but you can also use it for pool decks or walkways as well. But primarily use commercial roofing.
Okay,
now,
so it can be put on TPOs, PVC, EPDM?
Yes, correct.
Any type of single ply?
It will adhere to any surface whatsoever.
Okay, does it need any primer for it, or?
Yes, it's a multi-system product system, so you will need a primer, and then depending on the surface, of course, you're going to need either 1 or 2 coats of the Lava 20 product.
What type of warranty you guys have for customers?
So we do a 25-year warranty.
Label and material, or just the material?
This is on all the material, yes.
Okay.
We are nationwide. We can ship
Okay.
to anywhere within the United States.
Ask to buy directly, or you guys sell through distributors?
We sell directly to contractors and roofers.
Okay, awesome, excellent. Thank you so much, Rainier.
Appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Thank you,
have a good
Bruno.
one, man. God bless you.
Thank you.